Hi, this is Ketogenic Jim, and what we're doing today is one of my favorite meals. We're making a chicken Parmesan. We're going to be using all keto products, very low carb. It's going to be fantastic. The total recipe per serving is 5 grams of carbs, 35 grams of fat, and 35 grams of protein. Equals out to about 500 calories. It's really tasty, and it's very, very good. I hope you like it. First thing you want to do is to make your breadcrumbs. All of the ingredients in this is very low carb and ketogenic. So we're using pork rinds. We're going to put the pork rinds in the blender to make a fine crust, very similar to breadcrumbs. Pulse your pork rinds. To do the chicken, you're going to obviously need your chicken thighs or chicken breast. However, you can get a flat cutlet is best. And you're going to need 2 eggs for your egg wash and then around 2 cups of pork rind breading. For the sauce, we're going to use tomato puree, black pepper, basil, oregano, some mixed Italian seasoning, olive oil, some salt, half of an onion, and a clove of garlic. And then we're going to put the chicken and the sauce on top of a bed of zucchini noodles. So now we're making the sauce. Okay, we're going to start by heating up a little bit of olive oil. We're going to cook our onion. And our garlic. I'm putting the whole half onion in the pan like that, and we're just going to roast the onion and the garlic together, and this is going to make the base of our sauce. Okay, our garlic has been roasted. It's starting to peel. That's perfect. And once the onion starts to peel away, just kind of lift it up a couple times. I'm going to use the cap like that. And just kind of grill it for a couple more seconds. Then we're going to transfer it to our blender. Put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. There. 2 tablespoons of tomato puree. Some basil. Oregano, and then our mixed Italian seasoning, and a little bit of salt, and then we're going to add in about a tablespoon of water. And then you blend this together. It's a bit thick, so I'm just going to put a little bit more water in, and you can add a bit more water and oil to taste. Okay, our sauce is done, and you can see here. You can buy your own low-carb sauce, but I don't really like it that much. This is our kind of spicy, kind of sweet spaghetti sauce. Now we're going to do the chicken. And we're just going to dip the chicken in our egg wash. Then you just cover your chicken in the pork rind breadcrumbs. Okay, we're gonna heat up, I'm using a wok. You just need a deep frying pan of some sort. Put a good bit of oil into it. We're going to pan fry our chicken. We're going to now fry our chicken. While your chicken is frying, you want to start to get your oven preheated to 180 to 200 degrees Celsius. It's around 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then once they're done, you just move these right on over and add some more. What we're doing now is we're going to put our homemade tomato sauce over each one of these, and then we're going to top it with cheese and put it in the oven. You put Parmesan cheese over top, and you bake it in the oven for around 15 or 20 minutes until the cheese gets very, very melted. While we're doing this, while we're cooking it in the oven, we're going to cook up our zucchini noodles. And as you can see, this measures out perfectly. The shops didn't have Parmesan, so we're using mozzarella, but it's the same basic thing. You can use either one really. Okay, now we're putting the chicken in the oven. And like I said, you want to cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes, maybe even 20, until the cheese is very well melted, because you're trying to heat everything through. Okay, now we're going to fry up our courgette, our zucchini noodles. They just need to be heated through really well, and then by that time, our chicken should be done. Okay, our chicken Parmesan is done. Our zucchini noodles are done. Oh, this looks really good. Now it's just time to plate it up. And that is your ketogenic chicken Parmesan. I can't wait to eat it myself. I don't want it to get cold. It smells fantastic. I know it's going to taste good. I've done this a few times. It is phenomenal. If you like my recipes, I'd love to talk to you more about them. And if you'd like my videos, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, like me on Instagram. All of my channels are the same, Ketogenic Gym. If you want to speak about coaching, I also do a buy one, get one half off. So if you want to get coached by me and you have a friend, you'll both get half off. It's perfect time really, because Easter's coming around the corner. You can lose your belly fat, get rid of depression even, depending on the type of depression, the same depression that I had when I was younger. All of that's gone. I lost 70 pounds. It's the best diet you possibly can get, because it only fuels your body with the fuel that you actually need. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.